Hi, welcome to another video tutorial in Autodesk Inventor Pro. Today I want to do the bottle which I did before in CATIA V5 and Siemens NX. So let's see. First I make these visible, and then I need some planes with offset from that one 60, and again from that one minus 60. Let's start with a sketch maybe on that plane. Okay, I need some circles. Try to snap on nothing by pressing the Control key. Okay, then this one should equal that one, and this one should equal this one. Some dimensions. This might be 25, and this one might be 60. Then align these two and align them to this one. Then make a dimension from this point to that point. This should be 12.5. Let's move these circles right over here. I want to make them sort of symmetric, which means I make one dimension here, that's D6, and one dimension here, that's D7, so it's over constrained. I will accept it, so it's just a reference, and then I will make this equal D7, so it adjusts and it's symmetric. Now let's move this one right up and this one down. Press the Control key so you don't snap on something. Then use tangency constraint to make these tangent. Okay, and then trim. Okay. I will make a block of this one, and I will copy the block, and I will explode the block. So let's create a block, select these elements, okay, and the insert point might be this one, and okay. Finish the 2D sketch. Then copy this block into another sketch. I need a second sketch. Create a sketch on that plane, and it could just move this block per drag and drop right here, or you could copy it. Doesn't matter. So I move it right here. I will align these points, move it right here, make another dimension from this point to that point, so that's D8, and another one from that point to this point. Yes. Okay. let's say this one equals D9. Nope. Maybe I should first explode the block. So explode it. And remove this one and that one. Now explode it. Yes. Okay, let's take a look. Maybe hide this sketch so it's easier to see. Okay. Let's take a look. That's already fixed. Great. Then make dimension here, the 13, and a dimension there. Accept its reference and make this equal D14. Okay, now let's change the values. I will go for this one should be, let's say, 32. This one might be 35. It's not possible. Why? Because this one is too small, so let's first change this one to 80. And now that one to 35. And okay. Make this one visible again. Yeah, maybe I change this value to let's say maybe this one to 40. No. Back again to 32. And this one a little bit smaller. Let's say 70. Or let's take 100. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, and then I need another sketch on that plane. Insert again the block. Hide these two sketches. Come on. Okay. And explode the block. Yep. Then align these. Move it over here. Make a dimension. D18. D19. Accept this. And set this equal D19. Okay, now let's change the values. This should be, don't know, make the other, I can leave the sketch, make the others visible. So maybe This is 80. And these might be 30. And the distance might be 30. Yeah, something like this. That's okay. Then maybe I should hide the dimensions. Okay. And I could explode this one as well. Let's go right here and explode it. Okay. Then I need some splines on a different plane, so I go for a create sketch on that plane. Yes, and a spline which goes something like that. Yes. I should create it, of course. Yep. And now I need some projected geometry. So I will check. Cut edges means the model edges. I will project geometry. I will project this one inside the sketch, that one and that one. Okay. You might set these three to construction. Then I need some, this point should be right here, that point should be right there, this one over here, then move it, just adjust it like you want it to. Okay, looks okay. Yeah. And finish the sketch. So for the loft I want to make, I need 2 rails, so I will go back into this sketch and I will mirror this one. So therefore I project this geometry. And I will mirror this spline along that line and apply and done. Okay. And maybe I make this one construction line. Yes. So let's move this a little bit. Okay. That's more like it. Okay. So finish this one. Then I need another sketch again on this, and it should be circle, another circle. These should be equal. Yes. They should be aligned to that point as well. There should be some sort of distance. This might be 35, yes. And diameter should be 30. Okay. Then I need a line. Yes, another line. Yes, then I might trim it. Okay, and another dimension here. Let's say this is 25. Yeah, maybe. Okay, seems I need a tangency. Okay. And I might need an offset from this, which looks something like that. Okay. And make, so this is 8. That's okay. Finish the sketch. Now I think I have almost all the sketches I need. Yeah, I might need another one up there. Yeah, so I will add a plane, offset from plane from this plane, which is maybe, I don't know, 20. Okay, and I will copy this sketch. That's sketch number 1. Copy it into this plane and change this sketch. So maybe let's hide the other ones. Okay, and this might be smaller, maybe 10. $16 and this one might be 40. Okay, finish this sketch. Show the other ones. Okay, now I will make first an extrusion. Well, it doesn't matter. First I will do a loft from this sketch to that sketch to that sketch, and I want to have a surface, so I have this one, that one, and I need some rails. That's one rail, that's the second rail. Okay, yes, then I will make an extrude with this one, and again I want some surfaces, so maybe, yeah, it's 20, doesn't matter. Okay, and now let's go for this boundary pitch and make from this boundary to that boundary, and now that's tangent and okay. Looks okay. And I will Yeah, looks okay. But I think I need tangency and tangency. Okay. And I would change the sketch. That's sketch 4. Yeah. Change it a little bit. And make it move this. Let's take a look. Looks odd. Go back to sketch. No, not sketch. This one. And maybe let's move it up here. Take a look. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay. Let's take a look. Where is sketch? That's the sketch I need. Okay. And I need this one. Cutting tool should be from sketch 9. Where is it? Should be this. Yes. And removed should be this face, and come on, that face. Okay. Yeah. But first I would have to make an offset face. So I will move the end part up here. Okay. And I will make an offset from that face. That's the loft. From that loft. And it's a quilt, of course. This one. And it should be, let's say, 5 millimeters in the other direction. Okay. So let's make it 3. Still accepted, because it doesn't matter. So I could go for 5 millimeters as well. Yeah. Anyway, let's move this down. Okay. Then I need, maybe I change the view to something with edges. Then I want to remove again. Maybe I will hide all these reference elements. Okay. Yes. Looks good. Now let's sculpt again. This time the cutting tool should be again this sketch 10, which should be visible. So I will make it visible. No, wrong one, sorry. It's not this one, it's the one right here. Yeah. Make it visible. And now I will trim with the cutting tool. It's the smaller profile, this one, and I want to remove that surface. Okay. Yes. And now I need boundary loop from this edge and that face to this edge and that face. Make it tangent. Yeah. It's tangent, that's okay. Apply. And the same over here. Choose this edge, that edge. Make it tangent. Make it tangent. And apply. Done. Yeah, looks okay. Then I need just another one, so I will go for another boundary loop. That's this one. And let's make tangent. So this will not stand straight on an edge. I need another profile down below. So I will go for another plane. Offset from plane. Make an offset from this one. Or, yeah, I just could. Yeah, it depends. I could make a boundary, it doesn't matter. Just make it this. Make it free condition. And okay. And it's closed. That's okay. So at least the bottle can stand. And now I should stitch them all together. So take this surface, and that surface, and the one down below, this one, and apply. There is no gap, that's okay, and done. And you might add an edge fillet around here if you want. Make an edge fillet with, let's say, 5. Take it on that one, and okay. And the bottle is done. Just check once again, and there is a slight fold over here. So that's, I think, this boundary patch, and I think I missed. No, it's tangent, and it's, oh, there. Now it's tangent. Yes. And I'm done. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy my mistakes and errors and the corrections. See you next time. Bye bye.